Check network connection. Playing Prime without any problems requires an optimum internet speed. Check Amazon Prime Video servers. If Prime Video says the video is unavailable despite a good internet connection, you can try checking if Amazon Prime servers are facing downtime. Use Prime Video app. Use the Prime Video app on your Windows PC or Mac for an improved experience. Disable VPN. If the title isn't available in the region set by your VPN, you may see the error message. Check if the movie is taken down. Amazon has contracts with studios, and movies and shows exist on Prime Video only until the contract is valid. Therefore, if Amazon does not renew the contract, the show or movie will be removed. Fix 1. Sign out of Prime Video and sign back in. Step 1. Open Amazon Prime Video on any browser and tap on your username. Step 2. Click on Sign Out. Step 3. Now click on Sign In to join Prime. Enter your credentials and click on Sign In. Fix 2. Clear browser cache. Step 1. Click on the 3 dots icon in the toolbar. Click on Settings. Step 2. Click on Privacy and Security. Select Clear Browsing Data. Step 3. Click on the Time Range button and select the time range as All Time. This will help you clear the stored data and cache of Chrome from the time you started using it. Step 4. You will now see a list of what is being cleared. Select what you want to delete and click on Clear Data. Fix 3. Disable extensions on Chrome. Step 1. Open Chrome, click on the extensions icon on the toolbar and select Manage Extensions. Step 2. You will now see a list of installed extensions. Turn off the toggle to disable an extension and check if it solves the issue. Repeat this for all the installed extensions. Fix 4. Disable hardware acceleration. Step 1. Open Chrome and tap on the 3 dots icon in the toolbar. Select Settings. Step 2. Click on System in the sidebar. Step 3. Turn off the toggle for Use hardware acceleration when available. Fix 5. Update display drivers. Step 1. Open Device Manager from the Start menu. Step 2. Click on Display Adapters. Step 3. Right-click on the display driver and tap on Update Driver. Step 4. Click on Search automatically for drivers. If there are new versions, you can follow the on-screen instructions to update the drivers.